New Delhi has cleared a government-to-government deal worth over 63,000 crore rupees, approximately $7.5 billion, to procure 26 RAFALE marine fighter aircraft from France. This strategic move, much more than just a hardware transaction, is poised to elevate India into the rarefied club of nations that can project formidable carrier battle group (CBG) capabilities across vast oceanic expanses. This also reflects that country is no more in love of Russian fighters retiring MiG-29Ks and failed to produce naval version of Taj's fighter jet. The deal includes 22 single-seater RAFALE M fighters and 4 twin-seater variants, all configured for carrier operations. These fighters will be deployed aboard India's 2 aircraft carriers, INS Vikramaditya and the indigenously built INS Vikrant. The implications are deep, not just for the Indian Navy's aerial teeth but also for India's geostrategic stance in the Indo-Pacific theater. Operated by the French Navy aboard the Charles de Gaulle aircraft carrier, it has seen action in Afghanistan, Libya, Iraq, and Syria, delivering precision strikes, providing air superiority, and performing deep interdiction roles. India's own LCA Navy program faced delays as ever. During the trials aboard the aircraft carriers, it became clear that it lacked the maturity and operational reliability for full-fledged carrier operations. Issues related to weight, thrust-to-weight ratio, and maintenance footprint made it unfit, at least in the current avatar, for the rigors of maritime operations from a carrier deck. China's string of pearls strategy, establishing dual-use port infrastructure across the Indian Ocean in Gwadar, Pakistan, Hambantota, Sri Lanka, Djibouti, Horn of Africa, and Kyaukphyu, Myanmar, has long been seen as a way to encircle and potentially contain India. Coupled with their aggressive patrolling by planned vessels and submarine deployments in the Indian Ocean, this represents a real strategic challenge. India sits astride the most important sea lanes in the world. The Malacca Strait, Sunda Strait, Lombok Strait, and Ombai-Weta passageways are all within reach of Indian maritime assets. The Indian Ocean region, IOR, is the new theater of great power competition. Energy flows, trade routes, and submarine movements all coalesce in these waters. The credibility of nuclear deterrence rests on assured second strike capability. While India has land-based missiles and sea-based nuclear submarines, carrier-borne delivery provides flexibility, deniability, and dispersal. In theory, the RAFALE M could be modified to carry India's air-deliverable nuclear weapons. With its deep strike ability, low RCS, and EW superiority, it can penetrate defended airspace and serve as a maritime nuclear delivery platform, further strengthening India's nuclear triad. RAFALE M acquisition also reflects failure of Indian aviation industry. Indian Naval Air Wing rejected Tajs due to heavy weight and limited capabilities. India upgraded MiG-29K will also retiring soon due to limited capability and outdated technology. The deal worth over $7 billion is on final stage and 26 fighters delivery will begin from November 2026.